Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris, and today we're going to be talking about 5 stocks that moved the market today. Today is August 31st, which means it's the end of the month, and I want to let you guys know about the 5 big movers of the market today. So, starting off with the big guys, definitely going to be Tesla, Apple, both of them split, so of course they're going to move the market a little bit. And then right behind them we got AMD, Nvidia, BIGC, and then one that actually moved upwards today that was a little unexpected. That's going to be GameStop. Now, all right, so today GameStop had a run of 23% up in the upside. So they opened up at about $5.77. They closed at $6.68. So they ran up about $1, but for a stock with such a small market cap, that is huge. GameStop had a run up of about 24% today because the CEO of the company called Chewy. So Chewy is a company that does subscription boxes for dogs. So the CEO of the company Chewy has now taken a 9% stake in the GameStop basically. So he has taken 9% stake in GameStop, which made the share alone run up about 23%. So I don't believe this is a good buy. However, I do see GameStop being around for a little bit longer, but with everything moving to digital, you got the new next-gen consoles that are all going to move digital. There's no need for a brick-and-mortar store. So for the other companies that we listed off, so Tesla is definitely going to be... I don't know. Tesla is a little iffy. So Tesla has had a huge run up the past year. So the past year alone, Tesla has made about, I believe, like 300% itself. Even with the virus and everything and the downfall, we had Tesla. We've seen Tesla at the same number that it split at in the same year. So we saw Tesla hit 400, 500 when everything completely went down. And they were able to recuperate everything, and they made it all the way to 2,500. So from 2,500 to split back down to 440, that's still pretty big number if you ask me. So I believe Tesla is going to be a buy, but you have to be wary of the short term. They are already very overvalued, so they have really high expectations for this stock. If this stock messes up, it can come tumbling down as fast as it went up. But hopefully not. Hopefully they keep everything in line and they can continue to be profitable for the next year. If they do, then they're a great company to hold. But just got to watch those earning reports, watch the financial reports and everything, and just keep an eye out on that one. You can definitely hold some of these. They're doing tremendous right now. It's first day after the split, they did like 12%. So they're doing really good, but just be wary about that one. So next one we got is Apple. So Apple is going to be the same deal where they've had a huge run up within the last couple months, and they didn't really change any of their fundamentals or anything. But at the end of the day, they're a great stock to have at such a low price right now, which is like 120, 130 or somewhere around there. They're such a great company to have at that price that it's definitely a buy right now. Yeah, it can come down if their earning reports or if one of their like financial statements comes out bad, they can come down a bit. But at the end of the day, they're a great company to have, and Apple is definitely going to be one of these companies that are here for years and years to stay. So after that, we got AMD. AMD is definitely a buy if you ask me. So we bought AMD in our Webull account. If you guys haven't checked that out, I'll put a card up somewhere around here, and guys, make sure to check that one out. So we bought AMD right before the earnings reported. They shot up $15. So AMD today, they had quite a big run up. So they surged about maybe 8%, and this was due to them launching a competitor card to Nvidia. So recently, Nvidia has been going on about this RTX card where graphics look more realistic for gaming and for rendering and for doing movies and stuff like that. So AMD has silently launched a competitor card at an entry level. So this had made AMD soar about another 8%, and so they're now currently trading at about $91-92, which in my opinion is a great price for a company that does what they do. So they do both what Intel does and what both Nvidia does. So I believe those two companies are great in their own aspects, but Nvidia is one of those like disruptors. So it's definitely going to be one of those companies that you can pick up cheaper. So I wish I would have picked up more in my Webull account at like $70. I do have them at like $40 in another account. I do believe I do believe AMD is a company you should hold in your portfolio for quite a bit of years. They were able to return really good money this year, and this year alone they've done tremendously. All right, so the next company on our list is gonna be BIGC. BIGC is a conference. Let me pull up everything for you. All right, so BIGC is gonna be a conference website. So it's like a web conference website. So it's like Shopify is gonna be the best example I have for it. It's where you like list, like people are able to list their own things and sell their own things, create their own stores, kind of deal. And today they dropped about 20% at open. Reason for this being that a lot of analysts believe that BIGC is already overvalued. So they recently did IPO. They IPO'd at about like $70, and they hit a price point of about like $130, which is a crazy run up for an IPO. They did about like $40-50 the first couple months, and it is a little bit expensive. As you can see it coming down, if you see it come down a little more, I would definitely consider picking some of these up. I do believe Big Conference is going to be here for a little while, and they're just getting started, so they have a lot of room to grow. So BIGC, currently analysts believe it is overvalued. So with that being said, I do believe it is a little overvalued, but as you can see it coming down, I would definitely consider picking up some stock. I will put up a list of every company that we just listed off. It was GameStop, Tesla, AMD, Apple, and BIGC. So that's going to be the top 5 stocks that move the market today. And we'll try to do this maybe once a week or so. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one.